Chiropractic care helps to play a part in reducing inflammation by getting proper movement back to the joint. Your body tries to clean up inflammation regularly on a daily basis, but if you're not moving properly, if you have a joint that is adhesed or subluxed or something that's just not moving well, then we restore the normal range of motion by adjusting the affected area, and then your body is able to naturally get rid of some of the inflammation significantly better than if it wasn't moving properly previous to a chiropractic adjustment.